Well, since I got a little time right now, let's talk about this build. I got a 4 straight pipe 1320 performance exhaust, 3-inch all the way back, 1320 performance test pipes and their tips. Got some GNC 19-inch wheels, 245 by 40. Got a quarter intake Takeda. I did have a fucking single dual filter. I switched that to the actual dual filter. Let's see what's under the hood. So under the hood I got cold air. I already said that, cold air intake, but got a fucking oil catch can I just installed on there today. And I think that's not all the mods, but you know, aftermarket headlights, fucking this fucking aftermarket spoiler, which I love. I love this damn spoiler or lip. That's all I got on the car right now, with a little few decals. In the future for this car, I'm trying to get some coilovers, a tune, a wrap. Still debating on getting it supercharged or not. Some more cosmetic mods. And some coilovers, supercharger. I think that's everything for this car I actually want. I'm not really interested into them, underglow and all that stuff. But actually, matter of fact, I need to upgrade my brake calipers to the Akebono brake calipers. I'll probably keep the standard rotors, or probably go with the slotted. I probably will upgrade my wheels in the future too. Thinking about, I might go for chrome or keep it black. Well, this just a short little video I just wanted to put on YouTube for now until I start actually making my real videos.